There are 7 million of us in the U.S. We are educators and activists, engineers, lawyers, and your neighbors. We are Muslim Americans, and we aspire to promote harmony and peace in the community. And we invite you for a mosque open house on Saturday, February 18th from 12 to 2 p.m. The event is called Meet Your Muslim Neighbors, Mosque Open House. Members of the Muslim Association of Bolingbrook, along with the Gain Peace Organization, has put together an awesome program for you and your family. The program includes a tour of the mosque, meet the Imam booth, Islamic artifacts table, Arabic calligraphy, an engaging presentation on Islam with a Q&A session, and yes, delicious ethnic food. Admission is free and is open to the whole community. RSVP. Call or text 312-420-1876 or emailing us. Address is 351 Veterans Parkway, Bolingbrook, Illinois, 60490. So come on over. The Muslim Association of Bolingbrook and Gain Peace are excited to have you visit us for a mosque open house on Saturday, February 18th from 12 to 2 p.m. Meet your Muslim neighbors, Mosque Open House, to promote harmony and peace.